Good. Let him jump. Stay soft. Don't pull. Beautiful. Wonderful. Tyler, get back over where you're supposed to be, please. Beautiful.
You might have to pick some peas tomorrow
Okay.
and Thursday because you try some of these.
I can do, not a problem. Hold on, let me get this. Let him jump it. Let him jump. Good.
Yeah, that little rascal does good.
Oh, isn't he something?
He's a little horsey.
He is super pony. I love this pony.
He's a nice little pony. Go ahead and do it. Oh boy.